10 seconds, your hair is gonna look astonishing. It's gonna look shiny. The damaged hair is gonna be going away. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is KidFJ signing in. I highly appreciate every single one of you guys returning back to the channel. With that said, you guys are beautiful and amazing. Alright, you guys, today I'm actually so excited because I am actually back with a new product review, and this product review is gonna be so satisfying for you women and men on what's the best treatment for your hair. Yup, do you guys have damaged hair? So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my hair. During the week, you guys, I'm actually a union worker, so the fact is that I'm actually wearing this helmet, I'm actually wearing this hat when I'm actually not wearing my helmet. So the fact is that I'm actually sweating, you guys. My pores are open and they are not getting enough air. I'm actually damaging my hair. So I'm actually happy, you guys, to be introduced to this product right here, which it is called the MOREMO water treatment miracle 10, and the essential oil treatment, which it's after you finish using the miracle 10. You guys, I'm actually gonna show you on how to use this, but first of all, let me tell you a little bit about this. So I've been using it for about 2 weeks and a half, and you know what, it is what it says. It is a miracle. This MOREMO product actually comes, you guys, from South Korea, and you know what, it's so amazing to actually make it to the United States, because this product right here is mostly for girls since they have longer hair, more split ends, and more damaged hair. But unfortunately, I'm actually using it. I am so satisfied. You're gonna see the results yourself. Right now, look at my hair. It's dry. So with that, I'll see you guys in the shower. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so now we are finally in the shower. First, I'm going to show you guys a product. So this is the MOREMO liquid product right here that I'm actually going to use right now. I've been using it for 2 weeks, like I mentioned. Check it out. This is what the product actually looks like. Watery, right? So this treatment is going to be activated with the water that we're going to be using. So with that, I'm going to show you guys real quick. So I'm going to turn on the water. You guys, you're going to wet your hair. So I'm going to shampoo my hair just like this. I actually like combing my hair when it's shampooed, so every single nutrient could go in there. So there you go. Now what we're gonna do is rinse off the shampoo. There you go, you guys. So now that the shampoo is off and rinsed, we're gonna use the 10 miracle treatment, and we're gonna actually count 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds, your hair is gonna look astonishing. It's gonna look shiny. The damaged hair is gonna be going away. And remember, it is kind of liquidy. So what you do, you squirt it in your hand just like this. You grab it with your other hand and you start doing this, and it's gonna start turning into foam. So this product right here actually has 17 type of amino acids and 3 types of proteins. So after that, you just place it on your hair, you guys, however you guys want. Wow. Remember, I like to use my comb just for it to give it a nice texture. As you guys see, it's already getting shiny. I'm probably the first guy actually doing this product review for you actually to witness that this product actually works. But look, check it out. Alright, so as I already put it on my hair, you guys, look how it looks. Look how shiny it looks. To be honest, this is so incredible right here. Look, check it out. So I'm gonna count to 10 seconds now, you guys, because we have to wash it off or rinse it off. So with that, it's getting steamy. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rinse off. Alright, so once you finish rinsing it off, you guys, you turn off the water. Then I'm gonna comb the hair real quick. So all my dryness and all that type of damaged hair, it's gone within a miracle of 10 seconds, you guys. I encourage you guys to actually try this product. And with that, so now what's next after you finish rinsing off the miracle 10, you guys, I actually do have the essential hair oil treatment that goes after. So with that, so it's gonna give it a nice perfect texture of a shiny beautiful hair. So with that, I'm gonna see you guys in the setup. Alright, you guys, we are finally back on the setup. You guys just witnessed me actually on using this product the proper way. That's how you do it. But anyway, so right now, I just finished using the Miracle 10. Look at my hair. Right? So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna use the actual essential hair product treatment, you guys, which is a smaller box. This is what the actual product looks like. The essential hair treatment for the oils, for your softness and your damaged hair, so it could give it a nice gloss. That, give it a little shake. This is what this product looks like. Looks oily as well. That's how much we need. We do this and then we just oint into our hair. Wow, look at this. It looks shiny, and plus due to my lighting, it looks even more shiny. But that's how you use this product. So now what I'm actually gonna do is actually comb my hair. So there you go, you guys. I finally finished combing my hair. I started using these, like I mentioned, 2 weeks ago and a half, and I actually need all these treatments due to the fact, like I've said, I wear a helmet and I wear most of the time my hat. So with that, you guys, it doesn't get enough nutrients because I am wearing a helmet and a hat. But with this treatment right here, it replaces and refreshes my hair, and as you've seen, it looks incredible. This product gets 10 thumbs up, you guys, so do not forget to like this video. And with that, it comes from South Korea, so I'm really surprised. Hey, whatever works for us, you guys, guys, I share it for you guys to use it, and it actually works. So if you guys have any questions about this product, don't forget to comment down below, you guys. I'll reply ASAP. So with that, you guys already know what time it is. This is Kid Jeff J signing out. Until next time. Miracle 10.